Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking program, guys. Today we're gonna make you some banana and fresh pineapple smoothie. Anyway, it is nice to use fresh pineapple to make smoothie, you know what I mean? It's just really fantastic, guys, and it's beautiful. Basically, I want to say I use half of a pineapple and 2 fingers of ripe banana, which I did. And basically, if I put them straight inside of my smoothie container right here, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna just basically give it a nice, lovely blend. Hopefully, guys will love the recipe, and please leave your comments. Anyway, I want to say smoothie is nice, and the reason why I'm saying smoothie is nice because it's summertime now and the time is a little bit warm, and a lot of people really definitely gonna enjoy the weather, so you have to have a lot of drink. Basically, I have 1/4 cups of milk. Look at this, guys. I got 2 tablespoons of honey. That's really nice and beautiful. If you got pineapple juice, you can use pineapple juice. I have 1/4 cups of water. Lovely. Basically, I have some lemon, which I'm definitely gonna basically squeeze a little bit inside of it like this, just to bring up the flavor. Lovely and nice. So, I know you guys love the recipe. Remember, my cooking book is out. You can get a copy of the cooking book, guys. As you can see, basically. And it's so easy and simple. Look at this. You can see what I'm talking about. Lovely and nice. This is finished, guys. I'm just simply saying to you, it is so easy and simple to make some smoothie. Hopefully you can be able to give away one of these blenders on the YouTube channel. If you got some ice, it is good to put some ice in the glass just to make it a little bit really cool. But look at this, guys. It's so easy and simple to make this lovely pineapple and banana smoothie. Look at the flavor, look at the texture, look at the color of it. Everything is just perfect. Really nice. Beautiful. So as you can see, if I even cut a piece of my lemon right here and simply put it on inside of it like this, and let's give it a taste. This is beautiful, guys. Can you try this at home? Please, I'm asking you, please try this recipe at home. Banana and fresh pineapple smoothie with a little bit of honey, lemon inside of it. You can put yogurt, you don't have to put water, you don't have to put milk. You can put whatever you like, you know, if you want to try it, your way. But I'm just giving you the recipe of banana and fresh pineapple. Anyway, hopefully you guys love the recipe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We got a lot more recipe coming up for you guys. And leave your comments. It's very important for me and for everyone else. Well, as you can see, it's just beautiful and nice. Thank you so much. Bye bye. And also, you can put a little pinch of rum if you do like inside of it. And don't forget about the rum. Anyway, thank you so much, guys, for watching the cooking program. We got a lot more recipes like this coming on for you. Banana smoothie with pineapple. Wow, it's beautiful.